Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is an update from IIC Bangalore as they released for GATE 2024 detailed reports in which you can see what is the cutoff branch wise, okay, what was the minimum marks, what is the maximum marks, each and every detail related to the branch wise, category wise is mentioned here. So when you will go to the official website of gate2024.iic.ac.in, here you can see on 31st May, means yesterday they updated statistical and performance report available. So when you will click on this one, this report will be open. So let's see, I will show you here some datas. So you can see here each and every data. So here it's mentioned how many students registered, okay, what was the minimum marks, everything here you can see. So registered number of candidate registered or issued admit card. So everything is mentioned here. I will show you here. So the first thing here, GATE 2024 test paper and codes they mention here. Suppose you are from the EE branch, so you can just check your category. This is the EE electrical engineering. You are from the mechanical, you can see your category code is ME. So accordingly you can just check. The next thing is here. Next thing is 24 is paper, GATE 2024 paper is for a total of 100 marks. General aptitude section is common across all papers, 15 marks, and the rest of the paper covers the respective test paper syllabus, that is 85 marks here. So yeah, for the XC also they mention the details, you can see. Now when I'm coming to this is an interesting table. You can see here, guys. So paper wise and category wise qualifying marks and qualifying GATE score I will show you here. Suppose I will talk about the branch. Suppose I'm talking about the civil branch. So here I can see in the civil the number of candidates registered as an around 1 lakh. Okay. The appeared candidates 85,000, qualified candidates 16,600 only. Okay, mean marks of top. So mean marks is means the average marks is also mentioned here. Mean marks, average marks 16.13. SD standard deviation also mentioned, which we used to calculate in our statistics also in the engineering mathematics. For the general it is also mentioned here. OBC qualifying marks for the general is 28.3, OBC 25.4, ST SC it is mentioned. Qualifying score for the general 350, OBC 317, and other category it is 116. So here you can see, suppose I want to check for the DA branch here, so you can go through the DA branch also. Number of candidates around 52,493. okay, these candidates here you can see appeared. These 8,377 will be qualified, so you can just see the details, qualified candidates. Then the average marks and the score is also mentioned. So every detail, this is an interesting report which they submitted, okay, which they released. So you can see your branch wise also. One more thing, branch wise, paper wise, category wise counts on registered, appeared, and qualified candidate is also mentioned. So they mention here, suppose again you want to check for the DA branch, so you can see the details for the DA. Registered candidates are, registered candidate means those are having admit card. For those they issued the admit card 25,257. Then the appeared candidate around 17,000, qualified candidate 3,912, registered. Then again this is for the general, then other general, EWS, OBC. So this is category wise is also they mention here. Okay, and I can see here paper wise minimum and maximum marks of the minimum and maximum of marks and score also mentioned. So you want to check for the civil or suppose CS computer science test paper is computer science and information technology. Maximum marks was 90, minimum marks was minus 13.33. The maximum marks means this was the topper marks, and this is the minimum marks minus negative mark minus 13.33. Maximum score was 1000 and minimum score was minus 96. So you can see here some minimum marks, even in all the branches you can see the minimum marks is in the negative only, right? So this is the minimum and the maximum marks plus score also they mention or they released according to your branch. You can just check it also. And this is a very large, very lengthy PDF, 47 pages report they released. The next is paper wise range of marks also they mention here. So you can see what is the range of marks, less than 0, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So they release. This is the score between 0 to 10, 10 to 0, like this. 10 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 they released this one. And when I will come to paper wise range of score out of 1000, so this is again the score, who is having less than 0, 0 to 100, 100 to 200 score. Also they released, you can see between 900 to 1000 also you can see according to the branch wise or the paper wise. And this is the report for paper wise range of marks out of 100 of qualified candidates. So how many candidates qualified? Suppose I want to check here for the civil branch, so I can see qualified between 11 to 20 is 499. Here you can see the total qualified candidates are 16,604. So which I show you already, okay, earlier. And so they release some interesting data. You can just see these are the facts which they need to release. Paper wise and category wise range of marks also mentioned. So you can just check it out if it is required. Okay, you can, why this analysis or states is important, because on the basis of, you can just see, you can have an idea, okay, this is the competition, okay, this the cutoff is going on from this manner to this manner, the range is varying from this manner to this manner. So we will have an idea for the post gate guidance also. You guys can also directly see and directly get an idea. You can have an idea also that how they are varying. Even they mention, the good thing is they mention category wise also for every branch. So this is also a detailed analysis, I will say, detailed report which IISc Bangalore has been released, my dear students. So here you can see paper wise and category wise range of marks of qualified candidates. So what was the marks for the qualified candidates? Here it's mentioned. Suppose you want to check for the civil, so here you can see the general qualified candidates 3904, the marks is also mentioned here. So I hope this information will helpful for you. You can use this data for the post-gate analysis. Okay, gender wise and category wise count of qualified candidate is also mentioned. So this is an interesting report, and even somewhere it is shocking report also, because they mentioned the maximum marks and the minimum marks. When in few branches we are having marks to all, in even in lots of the questions where you will get direct answer or direct result, but still students having negative marking, minus mark, they got the result as a minus. So that is a shocking report also. So I hope this information will helpful for all the students who are who are willing to appear for the GATE 2025 and 2026 also. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy for more updates. Till that, bye bye, take care. Thank you guys.